today. So I'm going to try to keep under 5 minutes, and we're going to be basically just showing you how to pull this dude off and see how good of a tool I bought from Amazon. So this guy, because we didn't actually have one, I think we had a snap-on, or we actually had like a nice one of these in California, and it didn't come with us. So I ended up having to buy one of these because I need a balancer puller for that engine to pull that thing off so I can actually, get the cam out and put a new cam in it and make it, go make vroom vroom noises in bat. So to do that, I needed this. And this one was like 30 bucks. So I'm going to unwrap it out of this awesome plastic wrapping, and we're going to use it, and I'm going to kind of see how poorly or how good this is. But basically, to show you, you don't need snap-on tools, and Harbor Freight and some of these stuff do actually work. Alrighty, so I got the wrapping off. Now let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Ta-da! So in case you've never used one of these before, the general idea of this is you put this guy in the middle, and this looks almost identical to the one we had in California. You put this guy in there, and you put 3 bolts of whatever bolts you need into the balancer or dampener bolts. You put those in, and then you tighten this thing up, and this will help press off. This will press off of the actual crank with one of these guys on the end, and that'll help pull the balancer off. So that's the idea of how this works. And they give you a whole bunch of different things to use it for. Like I use it to pull steering wheels off, crank pulleys off, stuff like that. You can use this on a lot of different things. They're very useful tools. So with that being said, I'm going to get the stuff I need out for that, mock it up so you can see, and then I'll actually use it so you can see it in action. Alright, so here's the general idea on how this is set up. So like I said, you have your 3 bolts that you put in. These are the 3, like, for the pulley in the front. Those are the 3 bolts that hold that on, so then you use those. Make sure your crank bolt's out that holds this on, so make sure that's out. And then all you do is you tighten that dude, which it actually almost looked like it was just coming. Yeah, it's actually just by hand it's coming off. Maybe I just whacked this on when I originally did it. But normally what you have to do is they're a lot tighter than that, so then you have to use like a drill or something, like impact or a wrench or something on this. But in this case, this one's just coming right off. So, and that's how it works. So, poor little thing. But, so that's pretty much how a harmonic balancer puller kit works. This is an auto body now, whatever, made in China, Chinesium bracket or pulley kit that I got. This is like $30 on Amazon. So why spend $100 on one that's a snap-on one when that one just works? So if you want one that works like this one, it's not great, but it's gonna do more than what I need it to do. So if you want one that's similar to this, or this exact same one that I just got, it has metric and SAE bolts in it that way, and just see kind of a good assortment of everything you need. So if you need that one, I'll link it down below. It'll be a referral thing, so if you buy it, I get a little bit of a kickback, so that's always a plus. Just so that way, it kind of gets help. So, and that is not the reason why I did this video. It was more just, hey, I got a new tool, and that's kind of what we're doing. So, with that being said, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes. Hopefully I did a fairly decent job. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, and comment below if there's any that you'd want to see, or like any tools specifically you want to do. I'm probably going to do this again with a dingle ball hone, because the one I have is kind of falling apart. So I'm definitely going to have to buy a new one, and to use on those 400s that we got. So if you want to see that video, be sure to like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.